friends, I hope so you all are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about how to safely send cryptocurrency. So come to my Google screen and see here how to safely send cryptocurrency. When most people thinks of cryptocurrency, they think of a new technology that only computer saver nerd can understand. The idea behind blockchain can be confusing, and due to its complex nature, the whole idea can sometimes act as too deterrent to many people. If you still don't understand how blockchain works, you should have a look at our beginner's guide, which explain how blockchain function in a way that anyone can understand. To the general user, sending a cryptocurrency transaction can seem like a somewhat frightening task. There are plenty of stories about people accidentally sending tokens to an incompletable wallet address and losing them all. Or even worse, you send them a working address but it's not yours. These stories can cause people to become about sending their cryptocurrency due to fear of losing it during transaction, which is why we are writing the guide to help show that there is nothing to fear when sending cryptocurrency from one place to another. Here a black moon. We have completed 1000 of cryptocurrency transaction over more than an entire year, and we have not had a single transaction failure along the way. So rest assured, you will soon by sending cryptocurrency without causing yourself stress during the wait time. It is report published by FIO. There are still many cryptocurrencies users, especially new users, who are afraid of failed transaction. The report goes on to state that 13% receive an incorrect amount of cryptocurrency, 18% started to send the wrong type of blockchain token, 8% sent crypto to the wrong public address, 18% lost fund or had a failed transaction due to a user error in sending receiving. 24% question whether a public address you are give was false. 35% question whether a public address you are sending is too accurate. 6% been a victim for the phishing or man in the middle crypto attack. In addition, there were only 45% of users who responded that they had no experienced any of the above problems with cryptocurrency transaction. So we are complying 3 easy rules to make sure you never have to worry about sending the wrong transaction again. Always copy and paste your addresses. Copy and paste in the best tool to use for sending cryptocurrency. Why? Because as humans, our brains are not very good at remembering long strings of letters and numbers. Always avoid manually type and address. You have a much greater probability of error if you choose to type each number, letter or a wallet address. On the other hand, your computer can easily copy these addresses with a much reduced rate of potential error, close to 0%. Because your computer is better suited to remembering long random strings of text, you should always rely on its copy and paste features to ensure you have the correct wallet address. The rules of 5 first letters and 5 last letters. So what if you use copy paste but you are afraid you still might send the wrong coin or token? What if I send my Litecoin or my Bitcoin address? Any other cryptocurrency coins have no fear. The rule of 5 is here. But what is the rule of 5? The rule of 5 consisting of always checking the first 5 and last 5 character of your address. By checking the first 5 and last 5 character, you ensure that the right coins or token are sent to the correct address. Addresses starts with OX0X, where Bitcoins and Litecoins each have their own unique starting characters. Because of these features, you can always be sure that you are sending the correct token by checking the first 5. On the other hand, you need to check the last 5 as well, because each wallet address is unique to the wallet. You can be sure that last 5 digits will be mostly unique to your wallet. By checking the last 5 character, you can be sure that you are sending the transaction to your personal wallet address. Third, test transaction. Better to be safe than sorry. That's right. Every time you plan to send a large amount of capital or tokens, send a smaller transaction first and make sure it show up in the right place. Test transaction increase the overall transaction fee, but they act as an extra lines of safety for these large transactions. A test transaction would be needed for every single cryptocurrency transaction, but they sure come in handy when you need to send a lot of cryptocurrencies. Anytime you are utilize new technologies such as cryptocurrency and blockchain, it's always better to save than sorry. By following these 3 steps laid out, you are no longer need to worry about the transaction getting your sweet digitals. Remember to always use copy paste, check the first 5, last 5 and use test transaction when they are needed. Cryptocurrency can be confused and a little, but it does not have to be. And the cryptocurrency space would be this complaint forever. Over time, the used experience for everything cryptocurrency relate with continuously increase as more developers enter the space and the proper time pass for these features to be added into the software used to interference with the world of digital finance. These being said, there are no reasons you can't become one of the early adopters who does not have to stress about sending their cryptocurrency to and from digital doorways. Sit back, relax and let the developer do what they do best. Developers, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.